Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this simple and quick video, I will show you how to add a token on your Coinbase wallet. So to add a token on your Coinbase wallet, tap on this middle icon over here, the one which has an arrow going up, another one going up and down, and then tap on receive. So once you tap on receive, for example, let me assume I want to add the Bitcoin token onto my Coinbase. So I come to Bitcoin address over here, then go ahead and copy it. After copying it, now, since I don't have any Bitcoin in my Coinbase wallet, to add this token, I'll go to another platform, that is Trust Wallet. So on my Trust Wallet over here, I'll look for Bitcoin. So shortly, Bitcoin is over here. So once I see Bitcoin like this, I'll tap on send. When I tap on send, I'll come here and then paste this address over here. So when I paste that address, I'll input the amount of Bitcoin I'm sending, for example, 25 Bitcoin, and then tap on next. So when I tap on next, I'll receive the Bitcoin on my Coinbase wallet. And after doing that, I would have added a token on my Coinbase wallet. As simple as it is. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.